Yeah, I dropped the tank a little bit. 92 Voyager. Probably only lowered it about maybe 7 inches, 10 inches ish, because I had to get the fuel line or the brake lines. Let's see, right there, it's the brake lines. And they go there, so I had to lower the tank a little bit. Went to U-pull it, had to do the same thing, drop the tank. After I put some spare wheels and spare tires and stuff like that, I put it underneath the van I was working on just to be safe, because I have seen them at U-pull where they dropped or they fell on their side. So I did that. So yeah, I had to get different lines because let's see, yeah, because the ABS system on these, there was a recall for the ABS system, and I'll show you the old one there. Yeah, it's an old ABS deal. So I had that replaced from the recall about 14 years ago. And then it did go out again several months back, so it's been sitting. So what I'm doing, instead of spending 600 or whatever it was for that part, and maybe possibly have it go out again, I just went ahead and got the non-ABS brake lines from the U-pull it. And then I got the master cylinder, a new one, booster, like that. I got those on. And then for this line right back here, that one I just took the intake off. Much easier. But anyway, yeah, so as far as dropping the tank or any tank, I went ahead. I use that jack there. It's like a ATV jack, something like that. And then I used a regular heavy-duty jack. Of course, a couple engines, jack stands. I chained it up because I was leaving it overnight, so I chained it and locked it, so nobody borrows anything. But yeah, it's a good way if you have that, or because I have like half a tank full of gas, so I just figured, yeah, this is definitely beefy enough to hold it. I may use a regular jack like that with maybe a piece of plywood or something like that on top of the jack, but yeah, these things are easy. This jacks it up like that, and then this lowers it. So yeah, so that lowers it. But yep. So of course, for any gas tank you want to lower, that's a good deal to use. Alright, thanks for watching, subscribing. Alright, bye now.